Alright, let's dive in. Imagine typing a few words and boom, you get a painting, a poem, or even a brand new song. That's not magic, it's generative AI. But what actually is it, and why is everyone talking about it? So, generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that creates stuff we've never seen before. It learns from tons of examples, photos, books, music, you name it, and then uses that knowledge to make new things that feel surprisingly human. Think of it like a super smart artist who's learned from every masterpiece ever made and now paints in their own unique style. Take chatbots, for example. You ask a question and the bot doesn't just pull up a random answer. Instead, it writes a reply, word by word, like a real conversation. That's generative AI in action. Or those AI art tools where you type cat surfing on a pizza and suddenly there's a picture that never existed before. Yeah, that's generative AI too. But here's the cool part. You don't need to be a coder or a scientist to use it. Tons of free tools are out there. Try ChatGPT for writing, DALL-E, or Bing Image Creator for art, or even music generators like Suno. Just type your idea and watch what happens. It's like having a creative partner who never gets tired. Now you might wonder, how does it not just copy stuff? Well, generative AI doesn't memorize, it learns patterns, then puts pieces together in new ways. It's not perfect, and sometimes it gets things weirdly wrong, but that's part of the fun. Of course, with great power comes a little responsibility. Don't trust everything you see or read from AI, and always double check important facts. But as a beginner, just play around. Ask questions, make art, experiment. The more you try, the more you'll get it. Generative AI isn't the future. It's happening right now and you can be part of it. From your phone, your laptop, wherever. So, start exploring. Who knows what you'll create next? If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more easy tech explainers. Catch you in the next one.